respected Chairman Managing Director announced the results for the year to first quarter results in Bombay, and we are providing copy of the results to all of you. For the quarter ended June 30th, 2013, our bank has earned a operating profit of 1,000 crore, the first time in a single quarter. They earned a operating profit of 1,000 crore for this quarter ended June 2013. But total other parameters, total business was 4,05,383 crore, an increase of 15.42% year over year. Similarly, deposits increased 2,30,760 crore, a growth of 17.15% over year on year. Similarly, advances increased to advances was at 1,74,623 crore, an year on year growth of 13.21%. These are major highlights, but the net profit for the quarter ended June 13 was only 22 crore. This is mainly because of the increase in provision, due to migration of assets and the provisions. This is the major parameters. Other performance highlights for this quarter ended June 2013, total income has registered a growth of 14.54% from rupees 5,625 crore to 6,443 crore on year basis. Similarly, there is an increase of other income to 276 crore, registering growth of 85.71% on year basis. So these are all positive. Similarly, total income registered growth of 10.22% to 5,845 crore for the year for the first quarter ending June 2013. NIM net interest margin improved to 2.68% for the quarter ended June 2013 as compared to 2.64% in June 2012. So NIM, despite the profitability, NIM you continue to maintain at 2.68% bank as a whole. Similarly, net interest income of the bank registered a growth of 11.54% from 1,378 crore to 1,537 crore on year basis. Similarly, non-interest income of the bank registered a growth of 85.71% from 322 crore to 598 crore. So operating profit, I already told 1,000 crore, first time we achieved the growth of 1,000 crore for the quarter. Similarly, there is an increase of gross NPA during the overall, it increased to 6.03% during the quarter. That is one thing. And also due to the increase in provision, there was profitability, that was little affected. Deposits I all told. Agriculture advance increased by 28.60% to 25,452 crore in June 2013 from 19,782 crore. There is a growth of 28.6% in agricultural growth. That second page it is there, business highlights. Similarly, MSE advances registered a growth of 26.87% to 17,459 crore in June 2013 from 13,761 crore. It is also increased a healthy trend in MSME advances also. Retail loans showed substantial growth. Retail loans mainly housing, personal loan, other trade loans, they increased to 34.39% on year basis to 23,280 crore from 17,323 crore. Housing loan portfolio of the bank is at 8,315 crore. It is consisting of 34.83% of the total retail portfolio. This is also a healthy trend during the current year. Similarly, education loan portfolio of the bank registered a year-on growth of 17.82% to 2,678 crore from 2,273 crore for the corresponding quarter. Similarly, bank stood first among all channel partners for LIC Insurance Corporation of India under bank insurance. Central Bank is the top in collection of premium under banking channel partner, LIC premium collection. Bank's credit deposit ratio is 78.30%. That is, previous year it was 75.67%. It moved from 78 to now 75.67% at year basis. There are other initiatives we have taken bank during the current year. We launched a new product, customized saving product, that is Send Salary Saving Scheme. It is called along with the Wonder Card facility. It is inbuilt facility, concessions and overdraft facility launched for the salaried class. This same Wonder Card facility is a facility you can have normal savings account for salaried persons. It will allow where money is there debit. Afterwards, we can give some credit facility also. Same
Debit
card
cum
will
credit
have
card.
the multi-purpose. Debit cum credit card.
Only bank which has launched this.
Only bank we have launched this product. Then facility of online opening of time deposit accounts to internet banking users offered being first nationalized bank to distribute. Now our portal where we can access directly, they can open deposit online by internet banking. It will link to your savings account or your accounts. From there you can transfer and open deposit account. This is where possible. Bank clients branding of public transport buses and 500 tab cabs. Now we are in the branding. We have done even in Hyderabad many buses. You can see central bank schemes have been publicized, and also even other bus stops and other places. More publicity is given for thing, and 500 tab cabs also. Signed MOU with renowned builders and developers for providing hassle-free home loan at special rates across the country. We are tying up with the reputed builders so that public who are availing the housing loan, they need not go for the legal opinion and other things once more, because already once tie-up is there, it will be easy for them to avail the housing loan from the bank. This facility is also available. An innovative concept of grow trees, I think last time also we told, we have replaced the corporate members with certificates, having planted specific number of trees in the wastelands of country in association with Grow Trees Camp. Instead of somewhere felicitation, we give the innovative Go Green. We plant trees on behalf of them. So this is one way of environmental protection and improvement of environmental. This we are doing it. Under our CSR initiatives, corporate social responsibility, bank supported socially useful activities under health care, education, drought relief, support physically challenged, etc. Through accredited NGOs, HelpAge Delhi, Tata Memorial Hospital, ISKCON. For ISKCON we have provided when they supply midday meal to various schools in and around Hyderabad. 2 districts they are doing. Very hygienic food they prepare, and they send through vehicles and served in the midday meal school hot. We provided the van facility under the corporate social responsibility also. Similarly, bank has introduced a new magazine for marketing, Adda. This is for the publishing of marketing products. And there are many achievements during the quarter. Some of the few achievements I will speak. Bank has added 326 new ATMs. As of now, Central Bank of India is having 2,555 ATMs.
850.
2,855 ATM throughout India. It is increasing day by day. We are having around 4,300 and odd branches. Almost one branch, one ATM is almost, it is in the place. It is on the trend, increasing trend. Similarly, e-transaction increased from 30% to 32% of total transaction. Now, government taxes and other department taxes, they are online, they are paying. Previously, they have to go to the branch. Now, through internet, corporate sitting in their office, they can remit through our portal. It will reach to the government treasury and other accounts directly. This also increased transaction from 30 to 32%. Debit card base also increased from 42 lakhs to 50 lakhs during this quarter. Debit card, this ATM card, issue ATM card and other cards, it is on the increasing trend. Similarly, internet bank customer also increased from 6.0 to 8.11 lakhs during the quarter ended June 2013. During the Q1, I already told, bank stood first in mobilizing insurance premium and policies amongst all bank assurance partners of LIC. Bank has canvassed 24,748 policies with a premium of 35.02 crore and earned a commission of 2.80 crore during the quarter 1. Similarly, under general insurance business also, bank earned a commission of 3.31 crore. Bank has launched another new card, RuPay card, RuPay shopping cum debit card, RuPay. It is on Wonder Card. Wonder Card I already told, this is RuPay shopping cum debit card. It is that can be used for any establishments for buy the products. Way forward, bank has got a lot of initiative for the current year. Mainly our CASA deposit. Now it is around 30 rupee rise to the level of 34 to 35%, presently around 32%. We want to increase the CASA deposits, that is mainly current and savings deposit to to 34 to 35% for the current year. Similarly, sent salary saving for employees, corporates, non-corporates for having a force to bring corporate accounts. Bank has robust plan to contain gross NPA below 5% and net NPA less than 2% during the current year. To contain the NPA, plan to open 2,450 on-site ATMs during the financial year 2013-14. During the current year, bank plan to open 2,450 ATM to reach a level of 5,000 ATM during the current year, out of which 100 ATM will be disabled friendly. Disabled friendly means it can be operable by disabled people also. They can easily access, move and operate the ATM to help the disabled persons also. 100 ATMs will be in that category, we planned also. Debit card base to increase to 1 crore mark for the current year. Now we are around 50 lakhs. We plan to increase debit card to 1 crore. Promoting online fee collection module for reputed schools and colleges and universities. Thrust in transaction banking activities to generate additional business. We are, during the current year, bank plan to open 5 retail asset branches. Already there, it will be fully operationalized. 50 retail asset branches, it will be fully operational during the current year, mainly cater to the needs of the retail customers, retail portfolio advances. We are giving more thrust on retail credit for the current year. And also this is mainly for tie-up with reputed builders, educational institutions and auto dealers. Awards. During the current year, Central Bank of India received the HR Award for Training Excellence, that is Gold Award for achieving excellence in training and learning system and practices for the current year. These are all the major achievements for the current year of Central Bank of India as a whole. As of now, Central Bank of India is having, as of now, 4,316 branches throughout India, out of which 1,571 branches are in rural areas, semi-urban areas 1,174 branches, urban area 232 branches, metropolitan 739 branches. So totally 4,366 branches we are having. In addition, bank has opened ultra small branches to cater to the inclusion of urban financial inclusion, that is rural financial inclusion. 3,612 ultra small branches opened. This is in the population of about 2,000, and also bank plan to open branches, the ultra small branches below 2,000 population in future. Now about 2,000 population, ultra small branches, 3,612 branches have been opened by the bank. These are all in nutshell about the bank for the quarter ended June 13. Hyderabad zone, I have given in nutshell about our number of branches and our operations. Hyderabad zone, I think we are circulated. We are having around 299 branches in Hyderabad zone. It is comprising of the 2 states, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In Andhra Pradesh, we are having 4 regions, Hyderabad, Warangal, Vizag and Vijayawada. One of out of this latest region is Warangal. We opened only recently last month. We opened a region because of the number of branches are more. We opened one more region, Warangal. Totally in Karnataka we are having 2 regions, Bangalore and Hubli. Totally we are having 6 regions in the bank. Totally 299 branches. In Andhra Pradesh we are having 186 branches. In Karnataka we are having 113 branches. Of these, mainly 90 branches are located in rural and semi-urban areas in Andhra Pradesh, 45 in Karnataka. And also we have opened in this zone ultra small branches, 95 branches in Andhra Pradesh and 15 in Karnataka. So we are, in addition to the regular brick and mortar branches, we opened ultra small branches also. Our in Andhra Pradesh, under financial inclusion, we have been allotted 110 villages. We have been opening accounts in 110 villages. It has been allotted to Central Bank of India branches. And also we are having various verticals for the corporate finance vertical, mid-corporate to cater to the needs of the credit requirement. Similarly, MSME also, we opened specialized MSME branches. So we also having, in the zone we are having 249 ATMs and 300 more ATMs are being installed in a phased manner. As of now, we are having 249 ATMs, total branch 299, we are already having 249 ATMs. We have planned to install additional 300 ATM in a phased manner coming years. We propose to open more branches also. We are going to open more branches. There are licenses are there in Warangal region, in Vizag region, and Vijayawada region, and also in Bangalore, Hubli, and Hyderabad. All the 6 regions are going to open branches in the coming year also. These are the major portfolio, major highlights of the Hyderabad zone. And business-wise, Hyderabad zone, year on year, we made a growth of 18% in the total business. Similarly, credit portfolio has grown year on year growth of 24% to 15,348 crore. Similarly, agricultural credit portfolio of zone is 2,212 crores, and MSME portfolio of the stands at 995 crore, a year on year growth of 48%. Because during the last 1 year and current year, we are giving more thrust on the agricultural credit, retail credit, and small and medium enterprises credit. So, way forward, our thrust areas include agricultural lending, MSME finance, and retail lending, is housing loans, education loans, besides, and also campaign to increase the CASA deposit in our zone. Mainly focus on the CASA deposit, current and savings, and the normal retail deposit, and also to add and more customers to our banking fold. These are all the nutshell about the zone.